Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are starting the theme 2, that is at school. Now you can see the picture. Look at the picture above and answer the following question. What is the scene depicted in the picture? Describe the various features of the illustration. So you can see the people, the students are giving examinations, some are anxious, some are relaxed, and there are two invigilators in this classroom. So the first question is, what is the scene depicted in the picture? Describe the various features of the illustration. Now the answer is, there is an examination going on this in the room. Students are busy writing. Two invigilators are walking about. They are walking about and they are invigilating the exam. Now the question 2 is, what is the atmosphere in the scene live? The atmosphere is tense. As you also have experienced that whenever there is an examination, the students become tense because sometimes they haven't prepared well, sometimes they do their answer, they do know their answer, but they are not sure either the answer is correct or not. So always the atmosphere of an examination room is tense. Look at the different people, how are they feeling? Okay, now you can see the picture and you can see the one boy, he is relaxed and he is happily doing his paper. Some of them are worried and the last one is quite looking quite anxious, and all the students are doing their paper. And male invigilator looks rather stern. Now the question number 5. In what way this scene a common one across the world? Examination are generally stressful for most of the students, and most of the education system, they conduct examination to judge a student, its ability. So it's a common sight for almost whole world, and then especially those some students find it more stressful because maybe they think the paper is difficult or who have not studied hard enough. So after this picture illustration we are starting our chapter. So let's start the chapter. This is a poem, Schoolboy, and it's written by William Blake, a famous English poet and an artist. Blake belonged to a middle-class family and never went to school, and he was known for his radical views. The whole poem is rather a very good rendition of the feelings of uh, students, feeling of a schoolboy. I love to rise in a summer morn, where the bird sings on every tree, the distant huntsman winds his horn, and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company! But to go to school in a summer morning, or it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye of one, the little ones spend the day in sighing and dismay, and then at times I drooping sit and spend many an anxious hour. Nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning bower, worn through with the dreary shower. So this is a poem to describe the natural joy and love of freedom that children have, and how an oppressive schooling which represents the corrupting world destroy innocence and joy. The poem comes from the songs of innocence and experience and is influenced by a biblical story of the Garden of Eden and the fall, when Adam and Eve were expelled from the garden. So that's all for today. Next time, inshallah, we will illustrate this poem more, and we will do the words meaning and the level questions for it.